what's up guys? It's Movie over here, back for Blu-ray 4K Thursday. And today's unboxing will be for a war film starring Kristen Dunst. And that is for Civil War on Blu-ray. And it's Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital HD. So there's the front, spine, back, if you want to read details and special features. DVD, Blu-ray. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my unboxing of Civil War on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Comment down below, letting me know what's your favorite Kristen Dunst movie of all time. Thank you.